Man, it's hot out.
Great. If your AC worked last year but suddenly isn't keeping up now, you're not the only one. This is a very common thing this time of year. So today I'm here with Joy to talk about what's actually going on and what's worth checking before it gets worse.
If your AC isn't cold anymore, it usually feels like it happened overnight. But guess what? It didn't happen overnight. AC systems don't usually just stop working. It's something that gradually happens over time. You just don't notice it until you actually need it. So you know how it was like 90 last week? Well, this week it's gonna be 50. So now's the time to bring it in and get it checked out before it's 90 next week. A lot of people say, oh, it worked fine last summer. It just started happening. And that's true. But what often happens is that there's usually a small leak in the system, and that's where you lose all your cooling stuff. Over time, that usually affects the refrigerant level and causes your system to not be as cold anymore. So last year, it had enough to keep up. This year, it just can't do it anymore, especially when the temperatures go up.
That usually works. We're gonna need a better plan than that.
So when the refrigerant is low, the system has to work a whole lot harder than it needs to. This puts extra strain on the components like the compressor. So what starts as a small issue can turn into a really big issue. That's why it's better to catch it early when we're still at the simple place. Right now, especially running into the warmer weather, we're running a special spring AC system evaluation. It's designed to catch these issues early, before you really need your AC every day. The first step is to test the system, not guess what's wrong with it. We check vent temperature in comparison to outside temperature. We look at airflow. We check how the compressor is operating. And of course, we look for leaks in the system. So you get a clear answer on what actually is going on. Not just, it's not cold enough. This is why it's not cold enough. Evaluation is only $49 during this spring special. And if it does need a repair, that money goes towards it. What a great day.
If your AC isn't cold, there's usually a reason. It's not random. It just finally showed up when you needed it. The good news is most of the times it starts small, and catching it early keeps it that way. If you're in Redding, Birdsboro, Sinking Spring, Wyomissing, or surrounding areas, we're here to help you figure it out without guessing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.